Hey everyone, Morgan here, and we are going to be testing these Retevis C2 GMRS radios and just everyday scenarios. Let's just go have fun with it. You know, just have some fun. Let's go.
It's getting colder. You're getting warmer. You're getting warmer. You're getting warmer. You're getting warmer. You're getting colder. You're getting colder. You're getting warmer. You're getting warmer.
Found us.
I told you we were gonna find you fast.
The Retevis C2 GMRS radio has 5-watt GMRS power and long-range coverage, but we were seeing about a mile-ish in the city. There's a little bit of noise reduction. There's a full keypad with the backlit LCD, which I really like. There is a dual watch/dual band monitoring, and it lets you keep tabs on 2 channels simultaneously, which is nice if you're monitoring weather or team comms at once.
Do you see us?
Oh wait, yes we do.
All right, let's meet up at the road.
This also has some NOAA weather radio stations. It has a 2,000 milliamp battery plus USB-C and desktop charging, which is pretty nice versatility there when it comes to charging. It's pretty rugged, and it also has an integrated flashlight for that nighttime patrol or other emergencies or whatever. So here we are a mile apart. I'm at the grocery store while my husband is at the house. Can you hear?
I heard you say, "Can you hear?" That was it.
Okay.
Can you get us a bottle of water?
Oh, sure, you need a bottle of water? No problem.
The only problem with GMRS is that everybody and their mama can have GMRS, so we were getting a little interference there with other people talking. Of course, you can change frequencies, but there's only so many that you can change to, so. Hey, Josh, you want to ask the kids if they want a snack?
Yeah, I can.
If you have a radio in your home, I highly recommend that everybody sit down and get to know the radios. Learn how to use them, where they are going to be stored, how to charge them, etc. Make and go over a communication plan. This is going to tell you about code names. It's going to tell you about which frequencies you're going to use. I have a free template for you to go make your own family emergency communication plan down below in the description. So go get that. This is super handy to have. Put it in your emergency disaster plan and have it ready to go. And it's for free. Go download it for free. Very basic radio that I can teach my kids and our family can have. I'm really digging it. I'm going to put a link down below to where you can go check it out for yourself. Thank you all so much for watching. And don't forget to download that free communication template as well. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. I'll talk to you later. Bye.